What's up, guys? So we're working on renovating this 2-bedroom apartment in one of my buildings. As you can see, it needs a lot of TLC. I mean, these tenants have been there for probably 15 to 20 years. So it's been a long time coming. So what we want to do is tear down that tile behind that kitchen. That fridge is relatively new, so we won't need to do anything there. This is the living room, which, just needs a nice repaint, put a nice coat on the ceiling. We'll probably leave the floors. Here's bedroom number 1. Just got to replace the carpet, repaint the walls, probably put in a new AC system in the wall, repaint the ceiling, and we're going to head into the hallway. We'll probably put a nice little coat over those floors. Here's the bathroom. It has that real old school type of tub in there, but we're gonna replace those tiles. And lastly, we have the other bedroom in which we'll change the carpet, repaint the wall, repaint the ceiling. Let me know what you would do in this situation.